Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Hey, welcome back to Focus Kicks. You already know what it is. We back with another one.
Where you been?
Nah, I'm cool.
I know I was gone for a little bit. I'm back at it, baby. Trying to be new and improved for y'all folks, man. First thing first, we talking about shoes. I gotta talk about what I'm stepping in. This week I'm stepping in the white cement 4s. You already know my favorite pair of 4s there is. The hardest there is to me. You know what I'm saying? Can't get nothing better with that card. MJ flying in the park on them boys. I felt like that when I went to the park, you know. In my past videos, man, I feel like I kept it too short. And it was like not really putting in my opinion. Like I just talk my opinion on Twitter, say this and that and there. No. But I feel like expanding the videos a little bit more, you know. Try to keep it short though, but still expand my mind a little bit more, think a little deeper on them. But nevertheless, in this video, we're gonna be talking about all the releases up to October the 12th. And oh yeah, there's a few bangers in here for sure. Yes, first off, we're gonna talk about a pair that's coming out today, the 6th. The Adidas Control 5 by Adidas. It's Sport and Rich collab, green and white. Man, I like them. Oh yeah, it's a nice pair, you know what I'm saying, for those runners. Plus those people just like looking good in that real sleek, that silver and green. Also today we got 2 pairs of the Moon shoes, the Jacquemus and Nike collab, coming in red and black. I couldn't see me wearing them, but I could see them on the ladies' foot, or not just ladies, but I could just see somebody rocking those with real casual fit. And also the New Balance 2002R protection pack. Got a khaki pair and a black pair. Oh yeah, off-white kind of beige pair too. Going for, I like the black pair. Black pair, like real matte black, different suede. I think it's suede black, different colors. Oh yeah, I like those. Might tap in. October 7th, we got the SP Low in Persian Violet. And we got the Jordan Zion 4 Rare Form. And my runner-up for hooping shoe of the week, KD 18 on Pearl. Can't go wrong with on Pearls, man. Coming out on the 8th, we got a nice pair of Air Force Ones for those butter lovers out there, you know what I mean? But yeah, the Air Force One Mid Flats colorway. Yeah, they're trying to bring the Air Force One Mid back. In my city, we wearing those mid-top Air Force Ones. Oh yeah, Nike, keep on coming with them. Keep on coming. October the 9th coming with a few bangers. The Eminem Crocs. Puma coming out with a ASAP Rocky colorway of the Maestro. And also the Inhale. You got the John 3s turning around in white, coconut, milk, and black. Yeah, I'm gonna make me a pair of them John 3s on Nike by You. I'm coming for that real soon. Hope they don't leave. Also on October the 9th, we got a hard collab with airlines in Africa, named Air Afrique. Air Afrique. Had to get my Michael Blackson on right quick. If you're wondering what an Air Max RK61 is, let me break it down. The RK is Air Afrique's airline code, and the 61 is their first year operation. Along the edge, it got Morse code on them. Man, that's hard. A lot of people in that airline field really appreciate that. That's crazy. That's nice that Nike did that. That's real different and unique to collab with an airline. Tough. And also, Nike did a collab with Air Force One with Delta Airlines. Tough. Those are coming in a beige and a black colorway. Keep doing your thing, Nike. Keep doing your thing. Hey, don't forget, we're still doing the hooping shoe of the week. Oh yeah. And the hooping shoe of the week goes to the Nike LeBron 23 Miami Twice. Coming in real hard and real smooth. I seen the other week he did a rollout on Cassinet Live. Man, when I seen that pair on camera, I was like, oh, whoa, hold up. That's tough. I like them. They got a nice shine to them. Sleek. Rule number 1. You looking good, you know you hooping good. And those right there are a feel good shoe. I promise you. LeBron, Nike, y'all did y'all thing with that pair. I'm going to cop. I gotta find me a pair. Oh yeah. Man, October the 10th, big day slapping in. I'm telling you. We got one coming in for y'all Air Max heads. The Air Max 95. They're doing a lot of colorways this year. Yeah, and they slapping. A lot of them slapping. The solar red with the big bubble. It's a classic to a lot of people. And you already know. You watch all my past videos, we doing the sneaker of the week. I repeat, it's the sneaker of the week. It's down. It's down.
It's down.
Okay. You did it.
Sneaker of the week gonna be the J-Tips collab with Saucony on the Pro Grid Triumph 4. J-Tips coming in hard with 4 colorways with the Grow Uptown pack. The Sugar Maple, the Poison Ivy, Virginia Creeper, and the Perilla pair. To me, the Perilla pair is hard. It is the hardest. And I'm fucking with them. Let me know if you fucking with them in the comments. What? Oh, hold up. Let me know if you like them in the comments. Yes or no, thumbs up, thumbs down. Or matter of fact, you can comment on anything you want. Just put it in the comments. Last but not least, you got the Air Jordan 5 coming in medium soft pink for the 40th anniversary pair. Ooh, I don't know about them. I think I would have wanted a more red pair, something with red in it. But the pink, you know, and they coming in men's sizes too. You know that's rare for a pink shoe or a pink Jordan shoe, especially a 5 or a colorway 1 through 14. They come in pink and in men's size. That's rare. So hey, it might be an upside of that. Let me know what you think in the comments. All right, that wraps up all the sneakers coming out from now until October the 12th. Drop a comment below. Let me know your must cop. Tell me which one you grabbing this week. Which one hot, which one not. If it won sneaker of the week or if it won hooper shoe of the week, let me know. If you want more weekly drop, previews, reviews, and just random sneaker activity, I'm coming with it. So please make sure to subscribe and like the videos if you do. We'll double down on that. Subscribe, help the boy out. Especially on TikTok. I'm almost at 2,300. My goal is 2,300. Come see what I'm talking about over there. Hey, I'm gonna be posting this video on TikTok also. As always, stay laced up, stay prepared. Catch you on the next one. And stay focused. Keep focused.